Hey guys, we are Kat and Nat, and today we're in the WW studio cooking up one of our favorite WW recipes.
Are you ready for what it is?
Yes, please.
Spicy chicken tacos with goat cheese.
Yum, I love that.
Everyone loves tacos.
Yes.
It's a crowd pleaser. One pan.
One pan, there's nothing better.
Okay, before we get started,
Yes.
I am going to walk you through all of the ingredients that Nat prep because we all know I don't.
I love to chop.
Yeah, great chopper. Not so much. So we have, ready? We have our tomato sauce.
Yes.
Onion.
Yes, that is.
A little bit of kick with the jalapeno.
Or lots for me.
Cumin, chili pepper, like a little bit of salt.
Not the whole bowl.
You're gonna put everything into this.
Yes.
And mix.
So it's like making your own salsa.
Perfect, not just a pretty face.
Thanks.
We're also gonna brown our chicken. I love that I know this because this is usually you. We're gonna brown our chicken in a saucepan.
I actually already browned it for you. So we're just gonna add a bit of water.
Okay.
And we're gonna head over to the brown chicken that I
That
already
is
browned
actually
for you.
beautiful. And we
Smells so
haven't even
good.
finished yet.
So pouring it over the brown
And we're
chicken.
just gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. That's so easy.
One pan.
And if you're not inspired yet, I don't even know. Next, after it's simmered, we're just gonna shred it. And if you're like me and you're like, what is that? We're gonna show you.
You shred in the gym, I shred in the kitchen. Yeah. And now, I'm gonna show you how I shred.
Okay, go for it.
Shred it, you just pull it.
With 2 forks.
Yeah, just
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Nice and easy, go for it.
Okay.
You got this, kitty.
Oh, that's easy
Just
actually.
just a little muscle.
Just a little muscle like this.
There you go. And once you're done shredding, you're gonna take the chicken, put it back in the pan just to heat it through.
Okay.
And then you're gonna make your beautiful tacos.
Who knew it could be so easy? Just a matter of time. This is good.
Then we can get rid of the pan, right?
This is the best
fun
part.
Time to assemble. Okay.
Well, I'll take care of me. Oh, you want one too?
Yes, please. And guys, it's important to remember that you can,
I have some?
You can control the heat of this. So if you like it spicy, you add more jalapenos or more cayenne. And if you don't like it spicy, you don't need to add any of those ingredients.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna build. Also, you can add cilantro if you love it, but if you don't love it, like us, we won't be using it. You can also use any cheese. We're using goat cheese for this one, but you can really, if you have another favorite cheese, then you can use that. Want some lime?
Sure do.
Oh my gosh, are you
Hold on.
ready?
Ready? Oh, it's so.
Cheers to taco night.
These are the soft tacos, my favorite. Oh, really good.
It's so
We
good.
did really good.
Crunchy, limey, salsa. The chicken's cooked perfectly.
I'm really proud of us.
I am too. That's so good. I could eat like 10 of these.
I'm gonna eat some of them. Go to www.com and you can find all the recipes and then some. Like so many delicious recipes just like this. It's kind of mind blowing. We made something really good.